Hey, what's happening, everybody out there? So let's talk about the crypto market here this morning. We are dialing things back a little bit here this morning. We are down about 3.5%. So this is what I talked about yesterday. I'm going to be watching a lot right now, not acting at the moment. Okay, we bought the dip as much as we could. We've retraced. Now we're watching it very closely again. If we hit the levels that we did a few days ago, that's where I'll be looking to add to my highest conviction plays. Okay, I'm going back to the well on Solana, Ethereum, Cardano, Bitcoin even, okay? And maybe even some Shiba Inu this time as well. So that's kind of what I'm watching for right now. We haven't really learned too much new. We did have the Feds coming out and say, we're going to kind of hold things off until March. So it looks like we've got, opportunity to run up until we get some more news on what happens to crypto. Although we do have the executive order coming in February as well. We don't know how much stock to put into this. Like if it's going to be a real executive order, if it's going to be something that's in place years from now. But we'll have to wait and see. That's the approach we're taking, at least the approach I'm taking. I'm not currently buying things up like crazy right now. But I have been buying the dip. And if it gets back to these lower levels again, I will be doing the same. Again, going back to the well on my highest conviction plays is how I'm playing this market right now. And it's been a wonky few months, okay? But when in doubt, zoom out. Things are going to get better for cryptocurrency. Things are going to get better for us as investors. This environment right now is not great, okay? There's a lot of questions around regulation and what they're going to do here in the United States to combat, some of the cryptocurrency craziness. I still think there's going to be some foot down on stable coins more than anything else before anything else. We shall see, though. We'll be right here on the channel to bring you up to speed on the latest and what the Biden team decides to do with cryptocurrency. Now, I've said this again, and I've said this before, I'll say this again. Some people look at regulation as terrible, and it's a terrible thing. I could see both sides of it. I could see the positive and the negative sides, but the positive side of regulation is it's going to bring more people into the space. Yes, we might be taxed more on some level, probably for sure on some level, but again, it brings big players into the space where we're still rewarded for being early into crypto, and that's what it's all about, in my opinion. So that's what I've got for you here, just a quick news update and kind of giving you my perspective. I scanned some articles out there. Bush Light actually doing some NFTs. And that's just amazing to see all these huge companies doing NFTs. That should show you how big crypto is getting and how big it will continue to get. So that's what I've got for you. Smash the like button, subscribe, and more videos coming at you later today. See ya.